Hey everyone, how's it going? So we've been drawing a lot of different Minecraft Godzilla characters, and I've got a special request from a lot of people to do a Mechagodzilla Minecraft form. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to draw a Minecraft Mechagodzilla. So hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video. Now, to start off with our Minecraft Mechagodzilla, we're going to begin with the nose. So I'm going to start right here, and we're just going to make a small little square shape for the front of the nose. Next, we're going to start here. We're going to draw a line that goes up, and then one that goes up here with a little line across. Then we're going to make a little line that goes over and then up. Underneath here, we're going to make another little square shape, and then I'm going to make a little line that goes over and then up. Now starting here, I'm going to make a line that goes up. We're going to come over. We're going to go down and then over to here. And then right here, we're going to make a line that goes down. It's going to come straight down and then connect to here. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that goes down. It's going to go over and up. And then one more that goes over and then up here. Now, starting here, we're going to make a line that goes across. I'm going to go down, over, and up like a nice big rectangle. Then right here, I'm going to make a line that goes out, and then I'm going to come in like this. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that goes up and then down, kind of like a triangle shape. Make a line that goes down here, and then a line that goes down. And we're going to make another little line that goes down and up. And then we'll run a nice line all the way to here. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that goes out. I'm going to come in, and then down, and then I'm going to bring it back here. Then I'm going to make a line that goes down and then over, with a little line that comes all the way to here. Right here, I'm going to make a line that goes down. Here, we're going to make a line that goes over, and then it's going to come up to here. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that goes out. It's going to go over, and it's going to come up. Then I'm going to make a line that goes down, over, and then up here. We're going to make a little line that goes in, and I'm going to make a line that goes up, and a line that goes down, and then we're going to connect to here. Right here, I'm going to make a line that goes down, over, and up for another rectangle. One that goes down, over, and then up. Then we'll do the same thing. We're going to go out and then in, go down, and then in here. Right here, I'm going to make a line that goes over. It's going to go across and then up. Go down, over, and then like this, just to make that foot. Do the same thing here. I'm going to go down, over, and then up. This time, we're going to make two lines that go down, connect them, and go over and then up here. Now for the tail, I'm just going to draw a line that goes out here. I'm going to make a line that goes down, and then it's going to angle in. Then we're going to bring a line that comes up. A little line that comes right down to this point. Then right here, I'm going to make a line that goes up. We're going to go over, down, and then we're going to connect it to here. A little line down. Now for some details. I'm going to start by drawing a little skinny rectangle on the top of the head with a little line that comes down, and then it's going to go straight down. So it goes from an angle and then straight down. Then along the back here, I'm going to add some partial little rectangle shapes. We'll do one here. And we'll just use these for the spikes. We're just going to make some of these little rectangle shapes here. And then we'll make them 3D by adding a little line that goes over and then down. Now starting here, I'm going to make a line that goes down. It's going to go up and then back over. And then right here, I'm going to go down. It's going to go up and then down like this. Right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes over and then up, and then we'll just leave that one there. On the side here, I'm just going to add a little square for one of the details. And I'm going to make two lines that come down here, and we're going to make a couple little pointy lines here. Right here, I'm going to make a line that goes over. It's going to come up, over, down, and it's going to go right to here. Then I'm going to make two little lines that come down. And I'm going to put a few more of these little kind of pointy lines in here. Then I'm going to add a couple more little lines that go up. And then right across some different areas here, I'm just going to add a couple little lines just to make it look like he is a little more robotic, like he has a little more different pieces and sections on here. Over here, I'm going to add some little squares just to show where there might be like some bolts or something that he would have. And then I'm going to do that in a few other little spots too, just to make him look a little bit more like he's got things connecting them together. I'm going to add two little squares here for his nostrils. I'm going to make a little line that goes over and then down for some more details on his face. A few more little squares around here. And we'll add a couple more little lines coming across. A few more little squares in here. And then finally, right on the tail, I'm going to add just a couple little lines here. And on the edge of the feet, I'm going to add two little lines for some toes. We'll make a little line here and a little line here too. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Minecraft version of a Mechagodzilla. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.